In this video, I am going to show you how to earn 10,000 to 60,000 Naira every week. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV. And press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Now without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. The name of this website is payroot.online. Get paid in Naira for doing tasks online. It's absolutely free. Make massive income online by watching videos, doing offer walls and many more with fast payment. Over 1,987,920 million Naira paid to happy users. Earning features: fast payment, no deposit required, no investment required, daily payment, fast customer support, available online community, regular bonuses, multiple tasks available, best in Nigeria, highest paying tasks jobs in Nigeria. Now let's go straight to create an account to start earning money right away. Click on Get Started or Create Account at the top right of the website. Enter your details below in the sign up form. Enter your full name, your username, your email, your phone number. Now enter your password. Confirm your password. Now click on Sign Up button. Now log in with your username and password into your account dashboard to start enjoying all the services Payroot.online offers. Start making money right away doing social media tasks. Congratulations, you have just logged in into your account dashboard. Click on How to Earn button to learn more on how to make money on this website. There are over 900 tasks available. The more tasks you completed, the more money you make. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV and press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.